Buongiorno everyone, another classic, another Italian classic. We go back to the 80s when in Italy we used to have a Penne Alla Vodka with smoked salmon. I'm gonna teach you today to do, okay? Ingredients are the penne, classic smoked salmon, can't miss this, you need this. Red onions, heavy cream, tomato paste you can find at the supermarket. Very easy, convenient how to store it. It's like toothpaste. Butter, chili flakes, shot of vodka, fresh tomato sauce, a little bit, and some previously chopped parsley. A little bit of butter inside. We're gonna melt the butter. All right, let's cut the onions. Make it a little brown, the onions. Cut the salmon in little pieces. Toss this inside here. Toss the salmon with the butter. Look at this. Are you smelling this salmon? This is so good. Put a little bit of the vodka. Then we're gonna put a little bit of tomato paste. This is the secret. See how oily the tomato paste is. It's so beautiful. And we're gonna finish it off with cream, a little bit of the tomato sauce. Wonderful. Make it a little spicy. Okay, this is our vodka sauce with the smoked salmon. I'm gonna put it on the side and we're gonna start cooking the penne in the salty water that we love. Okay, our water is boiling, let's go. The salt. Nice. Perfect. Now, our penne. Voila. Cooking time for penne, about 10 minutes. All right, let's go. So pasta is ready. Move the pasta right there on the sauce. Oh, penne alla vodka. A little bit of parsley. Alla penne alla vodka. Shall we do it? Bing, boom, bang. Et voila. A bit of Parmigiano. Boom, boom. Parmigiano. 1, 2, 3. Bing, boom, bang. That's it. This is so good. The smoked salmon on top. You know, just to give the extra touch. Penne alla vodka with smoked salmon. Look at this, how beautiful. I just ate what was on the pan, so I can tell you already, this is amazing. I have no words. You have to make it at home. Remember exactly what I told you, the whole thing. I remember the tomato paste. I put more vodka, I put more spice, and love this pasta. You're gonna love it. And put a salmon.